I just discovered the most amazing YouTube channel. It was created only 3 months ago, and its first video garnered about 1.3 million views. Currently, the channel has just 13 videos uploaded, yet it has managed to attract over 41,000 subscribers with that limited content. The channel specializes in faceless travel videos about various countries. What's truly remarkable about this channel is that the videos are relatively easy to recreate. If you stick around until the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how to make similar videos and start growing your own channel. But first, let me quickly share what I've managed to recreate, which I believe is even better than what this channel is producing.
Picture this: an island frozen in time, where vintage American cars cruise past colonial facades while salsa rhythms spill from every doorway. This is Cuba, a Caribbean jewel that pulses with revolutionary spirit and vibrant traditions that have captivated the world for decades.
So if you stay tuned until the end, you'll learn the step-by-step process for making these videos. All right, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started.
Step 1 is ideation. Instead of using ChatGPT, I have found the best AI tool to create engaging, entertaining scripts that feel like they were actually written by a human. Click on the link in the pinned comment below. This is an affiliate or referral link, meaning I may earn a small commission if you sign up at no extra cost to you. And it's going to bring you to the TubeMagic login page. All you need to do is sign up with a Google account because it's pretty easy. All right, so it's going to bring you to the Generate Script option here. If you look at the left-hand side, you're going to see New Script, My Script, All Tools, and Micro Tools. Before you generate your script, there's something I want you to do first. Click on All Tools over here, and it's going to bring you to the Tool Selection bar. Go down to Ideate and Research, and click on Video Idea over here. Now it's going to bring you to this page, where you're going to see Channel, Handle, or URL. Now, we're going to copy the URL of the channel we are modeling from, right? But remember, this is only for research and idea inspiration. We are not copying or reusing anyone's actual content. So go back to YouTube, copy the URL, and then paste it over here. Now click on Generate. Give TubeMagic some time to analyze the channel and the videos that have gone viral, so it can provide you with similar video ideas that can equally get a lot of views on your channel. Now, TubeMagic is done generating us with the idea. If you don't like this idea, you can just click on Generate Idea again over here, and TubeMagic is going to generate you a fresh new idea. The next step now is to actually generate your script. To do this, all you need to do is click on Generate Script over here. It's going to instantly take you to the Generate Script page. As you can see here, TubeMagic has generated us a very good prompt that we are going to use in generating our script. There are a couple of things you need to do here to get a very good script, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to do that. All you need to do is pay attention. First of all, what you need to do is come down to the content icon you see over here and click on it. What we are basically doing is we want to train the AI to understand the kind of script we need, or make sure it generates a script that will keep people watching for a longer period of time. We need to add content we are modeling from. Again, this is just for style and structure inspiration. Do not copy scripts or reuse content from other channels. See here we have 3 ways to add content you want to model. 1, pasting the video URL. If you want to generate a script from an article, just paste the link here. The last method is to upload the transcript from your computer. For the sake of this video, we're going to be going with the first method, which is to add the video URL. What you need to do is go back to YouTube and copy the link to the video. Paste it here, and then click on this arrow icon over here. You need to add at least 3 videos, so the AI can have enough data to generate you your own fresh script. The next thing you want to do here is click on Selected and make sure you're selecting all these screen lock options to get the best script that feels like it was written by a real human with emotion in them. So the next thing we need to do now is to select the wording and how long you want the video to be. If you want to make a very long video, you can choose 3,000 words here, which is around 20 minutes. I'm going to be selecting 3,000 words for a 20-minute video here, but I'm not going to be editing the full 20-minute video in this tutorial so you guys don't get bored, right? So now that we've selected the words, the next thing we need to do now is to generate our script. To do that, just click on this icon over here, and immediately TubeMagic will begin crafting your script. Now, this usually takes a few minutes to write down your script, depending on how many words you choose. All right, guys, as you can see, TubeMagic is done generating my script. The next thing you need to do now is click on the copy icon over here, and then open any Google Doc file and paste your script there, just like what I've done here. Now that we've generated our viral script, the next thing we need to do now is to generate our voiceover. We can use any free AI tool like Google AI Studio. Visit Google AI Studio, make sure you select single speaker audio over here, then come down to voiceover and choose the voice that best fits your preferences, right? Then paste your script over here and immediately click on Run to generate your voiceover. Now, this is very easy. After you're done with that, it's time for us to put the video together. We're going to be using CapCut. You can use any video editing tool of your choice, but for the sake of this video, I just want to use CapCut, right? The first thing you need to do is import the voiceover you generated into CapCut and make sure you drag it into the timeline, just like this. Then after that, the next step is to find stock footages. And the best website to get some stock footages for your editing is Canva. All you need to do is open Canva on your browser, and it's going to bring you to this page. All you need to do is click on Video here, and then under Video, make sure you select Landscape. Select Elements over here, and basically type in any stock footages you're looking for. Like, for instance, our video is about Cuba, so I'm going to type in Cuba here. Then it's going to give you videos, graphics, and photos. I want you to focus on the video part, and make sure you click on this See More over here to see more videos that you can download. And this was the exact step that I was able to find these stock footages, and it's really easy. You can do that also. So now when you see the stock footages you want to use, what you need to do is click on it, and it's going to be added here. The next thing you want to do now is to download it right away. Just like this, right? So this was how I was able to download all the stock footages. It actually took me some time to gather all the stock footages, but it is very important you get the best stock footages for your editing. Just make sure any footage or music you download from Canva or other sites is licensed for commercial use or allowed on YouTube. That way your video stays monetization safe. Now that you've gotten all your stock footages, the next step is to open CapCut and add all the footages into the timeline, just like what I've done here. It's pretty easy. And the next thing we want to do now is also add background music. The channel we are modeling from did not add captions in their video, but if you want to add captions, feel free. But I'm going to be leaving the video just like this. And the next step is to export the video.
This is the exact method this channel is using to make these videos. If you want to try TubeMagic, use the first link you see in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.